Hi friends, if you're suffering from abdominal bloating all the time, you are suffering from flatulence and belching, and if you feel that the clothes that you wear in morning are pretty comfortable, but by the time it is evening, they are very tight for you and you are unable to breathe in them, and if you are confused between belly fat and bloating, this video is just right for myself, Dr. Teji Sarna, PhD in nutrition, and I am the founder of GHK Right Diet, a clinic that caters to lifestyle disorders. With an experience of 20 years, I am here sharing my experiences and my views on different topics as requested by all my clients. In the series of gut health, this is my third video and today's topic is bloating causes and remedies. What is the difference between belly fat and bloated abdomen? What you have to do is you have to just press your tummy. You have to see if you are able to poke your finger inside your tummy, that means it is abdominal fat, and if it is distended and you cannot poke your finger inside, it is as hard as a football, that means there is bloating. Now what happens when people say that we've lost 3 kgs or 2 kgs overnight? This is what happens when the water retention is released. Obviously the weight will go down. So there is nothing like weight loss in that case. It is just the water loss or the air which is trapped inside the body exhaled out through different passages. Bloating is a condition where your belly feels full, tight due to gas. Most of us experience bloating when the tummy is stretched, puffy, and it is very uncomfortable, and it often happens during weekend. For some people, the bloating is more than occasional. It is inconvenient, accompanied with flatulence and belching. So what are the reasons for belching and bloating? It can be constipation, gut sensitivity in the gut microflora, either the good bacteria or more or the bad bacteria or more, food intolerance, irritable bowel syndrome. There are certain medicines that can cause bloating. There can be weight gain, there can be hormonal issues, premenstrual syndromes, and there can be few cancers also which cause bloating. The cancer part I'm not going to touch upon in this video. Let's talk about remedies. Number 1 is stop overeating. The more you overeat, the more you indulge yourself in food, you are more liable to eat something unhealthy which can cause you bloating. That is very important. Second thing is reduce and cut down salt and sugar, because salt stays in body with the help of water. That means if you're having more of salt, you will have more of retention, and more of retention, that water retention, that means your body will be bloated all the time and you will confuse it with a weight gain. You need to eat very, very slowly. What happens is when you eat quickly, at times your mouth is open, you are talking, and this way more of the gas is trapped inside. It goes inside your stomach, which gives you a feeling of bloating. Something very practical you need to follow is you need to avoid chewing gums so that you do not ingest extra gas and air. Carbonated drinks are a big no-no, and try avoiding straws, because while drinking with straw you ingest too much of air, which is one of the major cause of bloating. Start writing a food diary. It is a very helpful tool, especially when it comes to food intolerance. It is a map that will help you correlate between your signs, symptoms, and the food that you have eaten. Look for food intolerances. These are the foods that lead to bloating in the body. They can be milk or dairy products. These can be grains which have gluten in them, especially wheat, rye, and barley. So you need to check on these foods. Do they give you bloating? And one of the very important thing is reduce or avoid eating and drinking foods which include fructose or sorbitol. Now these are artificial sweeteners which are found in sugar-free products available in market. Second thing is try and use probiotics in your diet, because they are very helpful for your gut microflora, and these probiotics are very important and they are easily available in our kitchen, and you should make the maximum use of them. Let's talk about the simple things now which can be very easily done. Number 1, just the right amount of fiber, neither more nor less. The right amount of fiber. Eating too much of fiber will not give you quick weight loss, but it will give you a good bloating in your stomach, distension, flatulence. Some of these fibers go inside your stomach and they start fermenting, and with fermentation begins the process of carbon dioxide formation, gas formation, and again the bloating happens. Next thing, that you need to cut down on few things such as beans, sprouts, cauliflower, onion, garlic, which may cause bloating. Cooked onion may not cause bloating for many, but uncooked onion, like we take in bhel puri or with salad, along with salad, check if they are causing you bloating in days to come. Be carb smart, follow portion size rule, check on the weight, try and avoid all the processed food items. Tea and concoctions, they are very beneficial for many. Teas like mint tea, fennel seed tea, ginger tea, lemon tea, they are very beneficial, so you can try them. Use of castor oil is very beneficial, especially in constipation. Essential oils when massaged are very beneficial. If bananas and apple cider vinegar are a very good remedy for constipation as well as bloating. I'll be soon sharing a video on baking soda and how to use them. Chewing fennel seeds and ajwain seeds are very beneficial, especially in bloating and constipation, so that can be used. Point of caution is, do not start or do not stop too many things immediately. Give each food a try, one food at a time, and you will achieve results very quickly. Never stop taking any food group on your own, especially milk and wheat. You need to consult a dietitian before doing that. If you're liking my channel and you feel benefited, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Please feel free to discuss your issues with me. You can mail me. Those who have my number can WhatsApp me and I'll get back to you.